Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Gorenje brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F56 error and you're wondering what is this error and is there anything that you can do to fix it. So first of all, the bad news is that this is not an error that's easy for a homeowner to fix because the F56 error is an error with the circulation pump. So there's a drain pump that pumps the water out and there's a circulation pump pumping water around the dishwasher, making the dishwasher actually do its cleaning. It's sensing an error with that function of the dishwasher. It might be the pump needs to be replaced. It might be some of the electronics around it that have gone bad. It's not really something that's easy to sort out just as a plain homeowner. The only thing you can really do is just turn your dishwasher off and call for support. But at least you'll be able to tell them what's going on and sort of get a head start on getting things fixed. But anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.